still have quite a lot of vacant buildings, like historical buildings, which I think when they are rehabilitated, they can be really like pearls, really important ones. So, but yeah, I think it's also other cities what they have to struggle how to get the investments, how to incentivize the private owners to invest in these buildings so that they can be reused and be reused by the people.
When I came here the first time, I was really amazed by the structures you have in this town. It's really fantastic, the historic value you have. Yes, you've done a lot in the public space here, but still you've got so many empty buildings here.
They are beautiful. You have a lot of historic buildings that are looking really nice, and you have a high potential for attractive peninsula area with a lot of life in it.
About the brochure, please use. It's very interesting to use this QR. Yes. And we prepare, in general, we prepare our agenda in our GIS because from Serene that email was like